A few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Before we jump right in, let me just say I'm recording from my shore house, uh, which we do not have high speed internet. We don't have any wires whatsoever, or we have an electric wire, and that's it. Uh, no cable, no phone, or anything that can get high speed internet. So I'm playing with the settings, trying to get an acceptable quality of transmission. And I'm just, rather than uh, fret about it, I'm just going to do it. I've taken off the virtual background. This is my shore house porch office, and that will have to do. So I appreciate any feedback on the quality, and I'll continue to fine tune it as we go along. So today's topic is it deductible? And if you spent any amount of time online looking for tax information, whether you're an individual or a business owner or a tax professional, you will see that this is the number one point of discussion, or its sister question: how do I report this? This happened. How do I report it? In other words, it's just a spin on that question: is it deductible? So my point, and the whole point of today's tax minute, is that's a nonsensical question, at least as a first question. Everything in tax accounting and business reporting depends on the business model. You cannot ask a stranger to say, this happened to me, is it deductible? I did this is it deductible? And you'll find plenty of tax people, they'll jump right in and say, oh, according to section so and so, this has to be reported, and has to be done this way, and that's the technical answer. That's a ridiculous starting point. We always need to know the business model, know the intention, know the bigger picture before we can even get into how things can and should be reported. And by the way, we're not going to cover it today. There's always more than one right answer on any tax question. Thanks for showing up today on the 4th of July. If you like what you saw, please share this post, and I invite you to submit any topics that you'd like to see covered on a future episode through the message app. Join me here tomorrow for another Tax Minute.